I got a jewel cage. No. Okay. Let's see. Wow. Mm. Nice. Ang ganda. Where's the stand? I don't have a stand. Oh, yes! OMG. Nice. Gonna do later. It's like all of this. That they will stay pretty. I don't want to get any more. I just want to see everything. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Oh no. What happened? Or is it something that I should put inside? Oh no, this is damaged. Oh, I guess it's fine. What does it do? The hold. This is so much fun. Yes. I don't know if I got the surprise one, but I'm okay. I'm happy with it. Out of the mud. Nice, nice. I'm sorry if it's sloppy, but I just really want to get the external toys. Wow. Ooh, these are so good. Details. This is so good. Spinach cocoon. Okay. Ooh, this is a partner. Internal dialogue. Oh, so nice. Wow, the details. Asymmetrical balance. Wow. Okay, later we'll check if we get this special one. I have no idea what that is. Whoa. This is it. Oh, this is what's in the photo and in the box right there. Yes. Oh, wow. Oh, no one else. Oh, wow. It also has a stand. This is the bond. So, so cute. Last one. Oh my god, it's done. I don't think I got the special one. But it's okay. I think I get it. I think that's my wish to get something that I don't want to get special. Later we'll check if we get everything. Oh, nice. Nice. It has a stand as well. Being butterfly. Oh, this is my favorite. Oh, off. Yes, I got everything. Yay.